Hey guys, so today I have a huge unboxing to do. It's from a slime shop called True Love Kiss 01 on Etsy. This box is quite large. I'm not sure I can really even fit it all on the camera. But yeah, I'm really excited, and they will also be hosting a giveaway, so I'll give details on that later. Alright, so to begin, they have a really nice thank you card for me. And as an extra, we have some of this gummy candy. It's like gummy pizza, gummy hot dog, gummy fries, gummy burger, gummy cola. So that's really cute. Alright, and it looks like there's like a bag here. Ooh, it's really sparkly and pretty. It's got like rainbow glitter all over it, and it looks like it's also filled with extra. So let's check that out. Alright, so this is air dry clay, which I'm really excited to use. Kawaii Slime Company air dry clay. It's really cute, and I like how it's white. So yeah, you can use this for a lot of different things. And we've got more in here. Awesome. Is this like a mini slime maybe? Yes. This is a really nice color actually. Butter slime. This is the first slime that I'm opening up from them, and so far I love the texture and the color, the butter slime. I love how stretchy and soft this butter slime is. It feels really nice. And the color, it also smells really good. I think it smells kind of like cherry candy to me, which I really like. So I love the smell and love the color. Some purple glitter in it, so it's really beautiful. It's really soft. Haven't really felt a butter slime this soft before, so really love it. And I like this cute little size. Like, it's really like great for on the go slime. This mini jar is just filled with a whole bunch of beautiful, beautiful glitters. So love that one. Looks like a clear slime. This is just a tad bit sticky, since I mean clear slimes get sticky a lot easier, so go ahead and add some activator to it. Alright, so this clear slime, I had to add quite a bit of activator to it just to get it to not be sticky, and I had to mix it a lot. So it's not as clear as it was earlier. But yeah, I really like the foam beads and all the star confetti. This is super cute, and I'm really excited for when the air bubbles clear out and it turns into the clear slime again. I think it'll be really pretty. It also comes with a container of borax right here in the same size. I'm not sure what size exactly this is, but it's a pretty generous amount. For the actual slimes, there's actually a ton of slimes. Those are just extras. So here we go. Alright, they're nicely wrapped in bubble wrap. And taped up in more packaging. Okay, so it comes with a bracelet, and this is a little logo or patch. Okay, so here we go. This looks like it's somewhat, I don't know, of a almost metallic-y with foam, so it's Alrighty, right off the bat, I'm obsessed with this one. It's like metallic with foam beads, and it's like a really nice thick glue slime. It's just, you know, your normal, you know, basic glue slime. However, it's really nice and thick, has really nice bubble pops, and I think the foam adds a really nice touch to it. Right, next one. Ooh, it also comes with a palm. It's called Fairy Princess. And it comes with a heart necklace. It's really nice. Alright, so this is an incredibly soft clay slime. I guess you could call it slay. Not really sure. But it's so soft. It's like a pillow, and it's really nice and thick and fun to stretch. I also love it. I think it's watermelon scented. It smells really nice, and it has glitters in it. It's hot pink, and it's super fun. So that's Fairy Princess. It's seriously one of the softest slimes I've ever felt, so I love this. Looks like it's like Harley Quinn, right? Harley Quinn. Alright, so this one is like a clear red slime with a whole bunch of these fun red and blue foam beads, so it's really appropriately named after Harley Quinn. But yeah, I love this one. Makes so many amazing sounds. Great bubble pops, and also the foam beads just really give it that nice crunch. It also smells amazing. It smells exactly like cherry candy, like a lollipop. So I love this one. Alright, this next one is called Bikini Bottom. I'm guessing it's like SpongeBob, right? So this one is again kind of like a sleigh butter slime texture, and I really like the texture. My only thing is that it kind of has a lot of fallout just because, you know, butter slime, it's just harder for the foam beads and confetti to stick to it. So this one is kind of messy in that regards, but it's really nice and soft. It's just the foam beads kind of fall out a lot, but it's really pretty. This one is called Pineapple Crush, and it's a clear slime. Alright, so I am obsessed with how clear the slime is, and it also smells really nice. Just look at how clear it is and how thick the slime is, and it's not one single bit sticky. It is absolutely the perfect texture. So yeah, I really love a good clear slime. Sometimes clear slimes tend to be on the sticky side, but this one is not one bit too sticky, so love this one. This one is called Joker's Treasure. There's like a Joker card sticker and some earrings. Alright, looks like this one's a bit sticky. Just go ahead and add some activator to it. This is like a metallic blue. Alright, so I love this one. I believe it's like a clear glue base. You can see how clear it is with like metallic pigment. It's really beautiful, and it's got a lot of these pretty star confetti pieces in it. So I love this one. It's really nice and thick, but definitely I needed to activate it a bit, but I would totally still recommend it. It's really pretty. And it looks like we have a little bit of a leak. So it did leak, but they have like this second bag, so nothing got outside the bag, so that's good. This one's called Blue Crush. It comes with a pair of earrings. Right, and you can see the slime did leak. Let's see if we can fix it up. Doesn't look too bad. It's called Blue Crush. Oh, there's paper. Let's take that out. This is really pretty, so I hope that, you know, I can save most of it because it's really pretty. It's like a really nice, clear blue slime. And it's also as thick as the Pineapple Crush, so I really like that texture. So, and it looks like it's just as nice and thick. It just got leaked. So this one, still great and salvageable. Alright, so just like the Pineapple Crush one, it smells really nice, and the clear slime is really nice and thick, and not too sticky. This one did leak just because the container broke, but you really didn't lose. I didn't really lose much slime just because they had that double packaging, so even if it did leak, you could definitely save the slime. And I just need to transfer this to a different container. So yeah, I'm really glad that even though it did leak, it really wasn't that big of a deal. So yeah, I really do love this one. I love the color. It's a really nice, clear, thick slime, and it makes great bubble pops. Alright guys, so even though one of the slimes did leak, I went ahead and transferred it to different containers. I am really obsessed with this package. I love everything that I got, and I think it's just really good quality. Like, I think this is one of my favorites, this really stretchy Slay slime. It's just really pretty and it smells really nice. But yeah, check out their slime shop. They're really great quality. And I do have a giveaway with them. The owner of the Etsy shop will be giving away a package similar to mine, and I'll have the details on how to enter in the description box. So yeah, check them out, and thanks for watching. All the information will be linked in the description box.